What's up guys, welcome to another video, and we are come back with a brand new leaks of a Samsung Galaxy S21. The Samsung Galaxy S21 resembling again the iPhone 12. Bezels may not be the most attractive aspect of a smartphone, but how good they look on a phone and make the display look more vibrant still has a big impact on them. That is the reason it's exciting to see this new pattern and talk. Most importantly, we have a tweet from Lake Ice University discussing bezels here, and particularly that all views will be the equivalent aside from the Galaxy S20 where the view from the base is much thicker than the others. All three phones in a Galaxy S20 range have slightly curved displays, but the new Galaxy S20 Fan Edition has a flat panel. Based on its tweet, it seemed that a Fan Edition was the first sign of a new direction of a Samsung, as both at the S21 and S21 Plus will reportedly get flat displays. Curved screens are especially helpful in large phones to fit in the hands of their users. This is probably because iOS 21 claims that Ultra, presumably the largest phone in the range such as the Galaxy S20 Ultra, will retain its curved display. On a related note, we have a new patent from Samsung for blade bezels obtained by the Let's Go Digital. This detail is on some very thin but also flat edges for the smartphone displays, which digital artist Sonoran renders on LGD's behalf. At first glance, this design seems to be slightly significant of the newly unveiled iPhone 12, which has also reduced its bezel by going for a flat-sided design. However, the camera mark or a punch hole is not visible. There are rumors of incoming smartphones with under-display selfie cameras. This is also rumored especially for the Galaxy S21, and this would ideally mean that you would not have the sacrifice screen space or the quality to fit in the front camera. However, this is a difficult engineering challenges to meet, and we have seen that Samsung can't pull the under-display camera for the League S21 lineup. Samsung is set to release its Galaxy S series phone in February each year. We may see these changes this year, although according to the recent rumors, we may see the launches of the S21 in the January instead. After the talking about the bezels, we're going to talk about a new leak that last year the cheapest Galaxy S20 started at $1,000 and went up to a $1,400 in Ultra variants. And obviously, because the S20 series did not sell out compared to the Galaxy latest Gen X variants, it looks that Samsung doesn't want to repeat the same mistake twice, and they are taking some different tactics to make sure that the price of a different variants of a Galaxy S21 out of a price like Galaxy S20 series. Rendering to the South Korean media, Samsung has successfully conveyed a number of key components for the Galaxy S21 with some huge price decreases. These key components contain the radio frequency component and the kind of display module that controls on the cell phone. The unit price of these components has seemingly dropped by almost 9%, which is quite a lot. Normally, a smartphone seller will reduce the price of just one component by 3 to 5% of the price offered by the supplier, so it's obviously mean that the manufacturer cost or material bill of a Galaxy S21 series will be less than if there is no drop in price, which in case of a decrease in price can be transferred to the Galaxy S21 buyers. So I think you enjoyed this video, so before going to anywhere, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.